Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll teach you how to add social media icon on Dawn theme. Let's get started. So this is actually applicable to all of the themes that you have on your Shopify, but for this video, we'll talk about the Dawn theme. So from in here, just head over to your online store, then in here, just head over and click on this customize. Now, once you have clicked on your customize, you should be able to see your Shopify editor. Now, for this one, what we can do is you can scroll down until we reach our footer right here. So on our footer, you can just scroll down on your left sidebar and here you can see the social media icons. So make sure that this one has been enabled right here on our social media icon. So when you scroll on, you should be able to see also the theme settings, and under the theme settings, you should be able to input your Facebook link, your Instagram link, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, Snapchat, and all of these things right here. So for example, you can put in here a Facebook for your actual store. So for example, I have a Facebook page. I'll just put in here an actual Facebook link. And in here, let me just head over and put that. And then in here, once you have added that, you can also add in here an image for your theme setting on your Facebook. And once you've scrolled down, you should be able to see the Facebook icon in here on your footer. As you can see, it's been added. So the more that you add the Facebook link, the more the Facebook icon will actually put in here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.